Hey traders, it's Danielle. Welcome to the free video. So I wanted to start off by looking at the semiconductors, which have been pretty strong over the course of the last month. I will caution that, the two previous downtrends that we saw were more significant than what we're seeing right here. So there is always that potential that you're going to get a symmetrical move just like that. But as of right now, on this lower time frame chart, I've got a squeeze building up. I have this reversal to the 34 EMA that's holding up quite well. And then I also have a couple of these different relative strength themes that are performing. So there's multiple tickers within the semiconductors that have broken down. That is not what I'm looking for. What I'm looking for is something that is strong technically as well as fundamentally, that has an upcoming earnings report, and if it has a squeeze, even better. So TXN, I think, looks great. You have a really nice technical pattern setting up, and you also have a history of that run into earnings. Looking at the lower time frame, the zoomed in chart, you can see that you're already above your 8 EMA, so not really ideal for an entry. And also, I did just want to clarify that for this run into earnings, typically it's really only a 2 or 3 week options trade, trading the tickers higher going into the earnings report. It's not coming in and buying the stock at the highs, by the way. So this one is a little bit extended for that, but I do like it on a pullback, and I also like LRCX. So LRCX has pulled back to the 21 EMA. If I could get it to pull back to the 34 and have, just a little bit steeper of a pullback, that would be even better. But, beggars can't be choosers. And we have this nice setup setting up along with the beginnings of a trigger. So I'm looking for potentially trading LRCX higher going into its earnings report. I'm going to look at doing that with some long calls. I like out of the money calls. I also like the in the money delta 70s. And I also like AMAT. So looking at this ticker here, you have a really nice pullback to the 50 period simple. You have a pretty good pattern. I mean, it's not as clean as some of the others. And then you also have an earnings report coming up in November. So there you have it, an ETF as well as 3 different tickers for short-term options trades. Hope you enjoyed this, and beyond that, I'll see you in the next episode.